Hello my brothers and sisters, we are currently at Great Hotspot Land for a special celebration. It's the birthday of one of the ladies, but a boy does not remember whose birthday it is. If you know whose birthday it is, drop it in the comments. Help a boy, or else this might be my last video.
Hey, good morning. We're doing good. We're doing
good now. Can I start with coffee, please? Coffee, please. What about Jesus?
something that's fitting for a king. Fun and jokes aside, guys. One thing I always like is when you return to a place, if the servers are still there and the chef is still there and the staff is still the same people that are there. I like that level of consistency, because when she came just now, I immediately recognized the voice. I mean, there's a mask, so can't really see much of the face, but yeah, good customer service was here last time, so I still expect the same now. So what are you thinking about the spot already?
It's beautiful. The
Beautiful.
rain last night was lovely. I had a good night's rest. Ready for some food.
Definitely amazing. Like the whole nature.
I'm sorry, I never expected your accent to be this clear. I thought that you'd be like, you know, so.
So, let me tell you something now. The room itself, it is perfect, I tell you, my brother. You see the environment, fit for a true queen like myself. You know, coming from Wakanda. This definitely feels like home. Mwah. Perfect, I tell you. You should come here. I recommend it. They say it's beetroot. Supposed to cleanse the body, I guess. So
Your mother from Africa and your father from England.
this is the great beetroot.
Drink
So
here.
hold up.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something about this. This is very rich. You see that dark color, purple? Let me tell you, this is not watered down. This has the original thing.
Right.
Cheers.
Yeah, so I actually like the fact that, guys, this is like a beetroot kind of shot. It's very pungent, so I like that. It's very concentrated. And of course, we got some coffee here as well and some water, so we're just waiting on breakfast at the moment. How's your coffee?
Really good.
It's really good.
Straight out of Blue Mountain. Cheers.
The king is pleased.
Hello.
Thank you.
Exit everything.
Thank you.
Oh, that's the sugar.
Yeah, she does want to flip on one of the plates.
Hmm?
She was easy to get some hot water.
Thank you.
Yeah, she was nice.
Sure, it's nice to see you. Shabbat shalom. Sit.
Chef, I just want to say to you that the king is pleased. I'm very happy with the food.
We are happy with the food.
Good to know, man. I'm going with my thing now.
How's the food?
The egg is different, but if I look more salt, good to go.
My food is really good, but don't blame too little because it's too nice. Alright, so we just had some really good breakfast. I won't lie, it was in a small proportion, but yo, it was so good. Everything was perfect. Down to the toast was done really well. So yeah, right now even the tortoise is having his breakfast, or her, I don't even know.
Crunchy.
You come in. Aw, thank you.
Hey Scarlett.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Aw, you come to me.
Sure, this is true.
Hi. Hey, girl. Good morning. Hello. 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 You're not telling me good morning? You're not telling me good morning?
Scarlett, big though.
Hello.
She's huge.
Hello. Hi, beautiful.
You are so.
How you doing?
What
This is my palm compared to Scarlett.
You see that beak?
Good girl. Aww. You're welcome.
Damn, Scarlett's smart, bruh. Whoa. Look how powerful that beak is, man. And look how we there by the beach where they are knock with the stone off your ever feet broke. How much Scarlett? Just a show way up. Vibes.
And you notice how she just rests against the fence?
Yeah.
Very smart.
Smart.
You go, girl.
This is fascinating. I've never seen parrot open an almond.
And
A
it's
maca-
like
it's
they know
macaw?
that
Macaw?
they're supposed to eat what's inside of it and not, the outer part. It's like, genius.
This bird costs like $250,000.
I can imagine.
They have them by the springs, the pet shop at the springs.
I almost bought one. Not this one. It's a sun parrot something. It was like 80,000. But I never had luck with birds.
She's smart. Come on. You're welcome.
This is the part where you say, these nuts. Alright, so we are walking on this trail and they have like several different room concepts. And the concepts of the rooms are just African kind of inspired. Made out of bamboo, wood, stuff like that. Very open concept because like our hut, yeah man, me catch that sir. our hut has like 3 entrance points and stuff, and like it's really open, so there's not like a ton of security in terms of that sense, but that's what makes it feel like the experience. Because if you're in a hut in real life, what do you do? So that part where they would take a wrong turn, we're gone. And we are on the snake trail. This trail has shown up on a lot of stuff, a lot of music videos, vlogs. It's really, really magical. Really amazing, yo. honestly, I don't mean to be philosophical or deep or try too hard to like inspire, but like there's something about the waves I'm out here where I just had to sit close by to it, and the rocks out here are sharp as really sharp. But you know, a thought came to my mind just now, and I was just like, you know, sometimes in our life to get comfortable where you feel like, yeah, now you can appreciate the view, you really have to go through the hard time, babe. You see me? Where whatever it is that you might be chasing or trying to aspire towards, not gonna be easy. If it was easy, then what the point of trying to chase it? Yeah? Even just to set up the camera right here with these rocks, it took me maybe a good 5 minutes. But I've acquired the shot that I wanted to say what I wanted to say. So for anybody out there who chase something, I don't know what it is, just know say it not get easy, and if it is easy, give God thanks for that. But I wish you guys could come out here at some point in time and check out this space. I know some persons want to know the price. I believe it was somewhere about $400. It's about 405. I have to check it. It's like 405 or so dollars. And this room sleeps 4 people. But you get 2 persons for a particular price, and then every person that you add after that too, I think it's like $35 because breakfast is complimentary. But I hope everybody can fall out here and just check out this space. Yo, the water come, I don't even know how it splashed so high, but it come up really high or like still. Yeah, come out here and just appreciate this, man. Channel. All right, so we have exited the hut. We're trying to get something by the street or something, maybe like a corner shop or a restaurant, so we can have something to eat.
Yeah, I just said something for you. Just like, yeah,
I know you, good man. Chano. Let's say a lobster this and now.
Yeah, said we.
Vibes. So how do you do the jerk and garlic it?
Yeah, garlic butter and lime.
Garlic butter and lime. Alright, vibe. We need it, man. Alright, let's up.
Big up yourself.
Let's up, bro. This is a famous jerk pork. This is me out of Boston jerk. See, I pick that.
Yeah.
Whoa. Vibes. Alright, so a quick FYI, the lobster season ends on April the 1st. But after the season is done, I think they have about 14 days in which whatever they have caught before and in storage or whatever can be sold. So what you see us having now, it's still well within its means. Plus my videos are not always on the same day. Sometimes they are 2 weeks in post, so bear with me on that one, guys, alright? Vibes. So the boss himself, Bumpy,
yeah,
with the hold on, sir. This is with the chicken sausages. Probably I was here probably like a year and a half ago. Ordered from him and they were epic.
Bumpy, man.
Yo,
original.
Vibes.
Yeah, real, you know? We not change it.
Straight, same recipe, same everything.
Alright. Pull your taste. Huh? You can't get lot of here.
Peter, Jilly, you definitely need to try that sausage because
I will try that sausage. Nice, huh?
I tell you, Tell you about it. When you reach home, you can tell it to others.
Ooh, this is nice.
Take up any piece. I will tell them who Bumpy capable.
Yo, the smell of that is so
strong. Can show them
Show them say the legendary Bumpies. See it, yeah?
Sign, yeah? When you come in, you miss.
Anytime when I fall back a Boston jerk, you don't know, Bumpy's jerk, chicken sausage and chicken.
Right eye, red pan. Where two girls, you know? One pan the right, one pan the left. Number one.
Number one.
Plan to get it, yes sir?
Yeah.
If you go there, you know, you just stand up. You know, so I'm married already.
It's not like, you know, the typical chicken.
See, the number one.
Yeah.
Vibes.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, that thing's got us chicken sausage, but it's wicked.
You like that passion, eh? You purchase on there already.
Yeah, it's wicked, man. See, they might taste it, should I get
If you want me to look out 2 more, tell me put 2 more in.
Let me look for it then. Try.
Nice. Well seasoned, not too spicy. But it's spicy.
Rice almost at 10 minutes too.
Even the other time, a bumpy man. Not because when you say man bumpy, that don't mean say man have no whole bump on his chunky and chunky. Yeah, right? Yeah, I tell you.
No man, the chicken tender bad.
You can't understand it for a long time I do it, so.
The tender bad, and I like the regular chicken where they dry out, it tender bad.
And here I am again. No, I don't want my own.
No, I tell you say good.
I
I tell you say good. Wicked. Wicked man.
Shot for truth, shot. Thank you.
1.5, yeah. Good jump for jar, you know.
Same sir.
You wicked down.
I'm sorry.
I tell them on it, trust me, it's wicked bad. Wicked.
What's the next one? Same time.
Yeah man, boss it man.
This one.
I'm seeing.
Yeah, you know, say, yeah, movie star too. This girl is. You wish
What the price on them the Bumpy? So somebody coming out, they want one of the sausage, how much MP?
Much I may have 8, may have 10, may have 12.
Okay.
Then 2 there, me give you 20.
Okay.
Alright? I may give you 2 big ones. But me have 2 and I can give you 2 for 16, 2 for 2,400. You understand?
Right.
Repeated customers get discount.
The food has arrived.
The food has arrived. Yeah, so we have
Good time.
jerk, pork, we have lobster in there, so, and we have serving a sweet potato inside of here, so. Yeah, don't ask, we have to probably go down to the place and go eat. Yeah. Alright, what the total of on this? 7 vibes. Alright, so we got to the pool area. It's a bit dark. But the ladies are gonna go back to get what ice, I think. And I'm just gonna man the food, don't worry. Everything.
Hopefully we come back and
see something, right? Facts. The pool is out here. It's a really nice pool out here. Probably tomorrow on the next vlog I'll show you guys some scenery. Seeing that it's so dark right now. Alright, so they brought the ice, so it's time to eat. Of course the lighting isn't the best, so we're gonna show you what it looks like. Then we're gonna eat. And then we talk about it after. That's what we say.
These are the potato, roast potato.
Okay.
This is one of the lobsters.
Jeez, it smells good.
It smells so good.
It smells so good.
Oh gosh, even I made a pepper shrimp.
Really?
Yeah.
This one.
Alright.
I love this.
Yo.
Yo.
Mushy yazzy. Alright.
Potato.
That's potato again.
Another lobster.
Another lobster. How much pork you buy again? Half? 1 pound? They paid for 1 pound of pork. Okay, I wish you guys could smell it because it smells really good. My gosh.
They call it smell-o-vision.
I was just gonna say one of your subscribers have smell-o-vision.
Oh yeah, I read that comment. I did read that comment. Pick up yourself.
They're gonna smell it.
Alright, cool.
And this is the...
Oh guys, and it was awesome. It's one of the subscribers that actually run off the restaurant or so. Yeah, he was the chef.
Oh, Sarah, you get it.
Oh.
Sarah.
Look at that, guys.
Juicy. And this is the chicken sausage.
Oh, this chicken
What's left
sausage.
of it?
Jeez, how pork taste? Careful, no, because you have a pork man, you know.
If it must be real though,
Yeah,
above you pork better than this.
okay.
But it can go on.
But this one good, same way.
You're
Right.
cheating on your porkman, and he's watching this video right now.
La 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 la.
Alright, I'm gonna try a piece of that pork and see what
You're not bad, but
eat.
your porkman better for you. Not of your porkman.
Hear me now?
Shell, yeah, your porkman. Where you get porkman from, Sarah? Nice one.
It's good pork.
Okay.
The flavors are really good.
So,
The flavors are really good, but I think Hababu pork man we win with texture. But the flavors are really good. This is probably a lot more smoky too.
Smoky.
Because how they cook this one is on that special wood.
And he's on
It's coal, it's on coal. You know, so this one wins with flavor for me. But in terms of texture, Hababu.
if you want more juicy, the meat more tender too.
Look at this. Oh god.
Anyway,
We have to eat.
it was nice, you know. We're gonna eat. Man, guys, we just lounged about for a bit, listened to some music, had some drinks. It was a whole vibe. The dishes, definitely the winner was definitely from Bumpy. Like those chicken sausages were really good. And you guys know I always say, oh, chicken is chicken. So if you can make chicken like really tender and make it into like a sausage that makes sense, like bruh, definitely a win. And the jerk pork was really flavorful and stuff. Anyway, I might close out this video today. It was fun. Video might have been everywhere, but just showing you a little bit to the precursor of Sarah's birthday. Remember the 3 things. Oh yeah, and drop in the comments, say happy birthday to Sarah. By the time this video comes out, it's gonna be way after her birthday. But remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, healing.